to the freezer. I'm gonna put it in the freezer and then I will cover it with aluminum foil, but I want to freeze it first. Dark meat turkey dinner. Bird's eye. We don't want it to have too much frost, but it's solid. It's not perfectly solid. Let's cover it, and tomorrow we'll bake it. Homemade TV dinners. Dark meat turkey with stuffing and gravy. I thought it'd be fun to have a lighter gravy since we're using dark meat instead of light meat with the dark gravy. Oh. Oh. Recreating a 1960s bird's eye TV dinner only because it's a bird's eye tray. That looks good. Back in the freezer. Good Monday. Frozen. Preheated oven to 425. I have seen anywhere from 25 to 35 minutes, so we're going to go 30 minutes. Let's put her in the oven. Countdown, 30 seconds, 20 seconds. That's it. Whoa. Oh, here we go. TV dinner. Oh. Butter. Peas look good. Butter on the mashed potatoes. That looks good. TV dinner. Let's get rid of the lid. Very nice. You think it's thawed out or is it still frozen? That's pretty thawed out. Actually looks tender. Ooh, mashed potatoes. Buttery mashed potatoes. How hot do you think that is? Oh, yummy. When I bought these tins, they looked really small. I was like disappointed. I thought, wow, I don't remember them being that small. Maybe because I was thinking of the Hungry Man. Look at all the butter. But with the food in it, it doesn't look that small. We're saving the turkey. Here we go. I don't really like peas. Piece of turkey. TV dinner. Oh, it's totally tender. It's not dried out. Brings back memories, man. Let's take another bite. I'm gonna ruin this tin. Mashed potatoes are excellent. Let's get some turkey with some stuffing. That's good. Thank you for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm gonna say. Thanks for watching.